Hey guys, Sachin here. How much money you exactly need to get started in affiliate marketing? Okay, so that is what we're going to be discussing today in this video. So I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts on this. This is not an investment advice, but publicly I can show you that I've been making money in affiliate marketing for a few years, so I know for a fact how much money I have spent online to get results like this. This is JVSU and this is Warrior Plus. So based on my experience, uh, I'm going to be showing you uh, what kind of budget actually you require to get started in affiliate marketing. Okay, now this is not a guarantee that you're going to be getting the same kind of results which I have got. These are just my assumptions, so don't think like this is the only amount I require, and if I have this much money I will make that much money. Okay, that is not. There are few things you need to be expert at. You need to be good at selling things. You should be good at finding the good offers. You should be good at writing email swipes. You should be good at dealing with your subscribers, basically providing them value in return so that your subscribers follow you and they always buy your recommendation. For this thing, you need to be real to those subscribers. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So based on my experience, if you're just getting started, you need $3,000 to be exactly, in my opinion, to be as good number to get started in affiliate marketing. Now don't freak out if you have $50, if you have $100 in your budget. Don't get into affiliate marketing. In fact, then I would suggest you can go for free methods. Like you can make a review video of a digital product which is launching and then promote that affiliate product. Basically, it doesn't require any money to get started. It requires just skills and ability to face the camera. Okay, that's the only thing you require. I made a lot of videos on that. You can check out on my channel. But if you want to be with paid advertising, like solo ads, then I guess $3,000 is a good budget you need uh, to get started in affiliate marketing. Now you have to spread it around 12 months. It's not like you have to spend $3,000 in just one set. Now you get 12 months, so you can basically spread it around 12 months, like $250 for each month. Okay, and the way it works is with $250 you can get around 500 clicks every single month, and even if your opt-in page is ridiculous, you will still get like 30 to 35% opt-in rate, which is least I'm saying. Okay, and over the period of time you would be testing the things and you will be improving your opt-in rate. So the opt-in rate goes to like 40 to 45%, maybe 50%. It's really good. But based on the least assumption, we would consider getting 30% opt-in rate. So with a 30% opt-in rate, in the first one, you would get 165 subscribers. We are assuming we are promoting a pathetic product and you would not get any sales. Okay, this is something I'm realistically telling you. Okay, because a lot of people think that I'm going to be buying a solo ad for $50 and I'm going to be making $100. That is not something which always happen. Maybe one time, two time, maybe you are lucky. Maybe the one buyer has bought all the upsells. Maybe you would get this kind of results, but not all the time. Okay, so we would assume that you don't get good results on the first one. Okay, pretty realistic. Okay, but you have got 165 subscribers. Then you need a skill to reach out to those subscribers through your email autoresponder. You need to email them one email a day, and you need to provide them good value. If you're a good YouTuber, if you can get on a camera on the video, that would be an awesome thing. You can send out good quality content video to your email subscribers, telling them how they can make money online. Okay, you can provide them value, you can provide them some free stuff and make them believe that you are really a good guy who's there to help you, because a lot of subscribers are new to the game. They don't know which information is real, which information is fake. So you need to get in front of them and tell them that this is a good product, this is a bad product. Even this is a bad product, I'm going to be giving you a bonuses on that which would help you. Okay, so in that way, your subscriber are going to be believing in you, and even if with a small number, you're going to be getting some good amount of sales. Okay, so considering you are getting 30% opt-in rate, after a few months you would start getting sales. Okay, now remember, 500 clicks every single month is the key to the game, my friend. Okay, overall you need a budget of $3,000. It's not like a 1 or 2 months game, or not like uh, one solo ad or two solo ad and that's it. No, you need to be consistent at least for 12 months, buying 500 clicks every single month. Okay, and after the break even, I guess the break even point would come in the 6th month. Okay, normally it can come before that 4th month or 5th month, but ideally, with my experience, I have seen the break-even point comes in the 6th month, and after that, you get a decent positive ROI. Okay, this is what I have experienced, so that is why I'm giving you this kind of plan. So don't just get $3,000 and spend it on one solo ad vendor. No, in the first month, if you have $250, you can test out 200 clicks from 2 different vendors with the same offer. See who is getting you good opt-in rate. If somebody is getting you sales, then buy 500 clicks from that person who has got you sales in the first month. Next month, you buy 500 clicks from that same solo ad provider and see if you're getting more sales or not. Okay, this is the way you need to be improving yourself. Okay, now after 6 months you're going to be getting a positive ROI, and after 12 months then you would be having a list around, even worst case you would be having like 1980 leads at the end of the 12 months, my friend. Okay, that is like we can get 2,000 subscribers you would have at the end of the 1 year, and that time you would be able to see that you have got a really good positive ROI. And this is something I want to share with you, my real example, real testing which I have done in 2019. I spent around $2,694 and made a sales around $9,000. Okay, then in 2020 I spent around $3,767, made almost much more than $10,000. This is something I have experienced. Now, first thing, don't expect this in the first 1, 2 months, 3 months. No, it will come up gradually. Okay, the way you email your subscribers, the way you treat your subscribers with a great value, in that way you're going to be getting results. Okay, always choose a product that is good fit to your audience. Always think about you are on the subscriber side. If you're trying to scam people by sending out Spanish subject line that here's your check for $300, don't do that. Okay, people are always smart. Don't think that that newbie is a stupid person. No, he is a real guy. He's a smart person. He understands who is faking him. So don't do that. Okay, always provide real information, real value, and people will reward you with a lot of sales, my friend. All right, so in this last year 2021, I didn't buy that much of traffic because I was just investing in assets. Okay, because I want to limit to retire in this year. And yes, but this year I thought I should go with $12,000 in solo ads, which is what I'm going right now. And at the end of this year, my target is to reach at least $24,000 with both Warrior Plus and ClickBank. So I don't know where I'm going to be reaching at the end of the year, but I'm sure that I'm going to be covering at least my target of buying traffic worth of $12,000. All right. So this is based on my real life example. I think $3,000 is a good budget to get started in affiliate marketing. If you don't have that kind of budget, my friend, if you just have $50, if you just have $100, if you just have $500, don't get into affiliate marketing with paid advertising. You will lose that money also. Okay, don't get into it. Instead, I would say you would go to you can get into free traffic ways where you can basically share some good quality value on social media, and that can get subscribers subscribe to your list. Maybe you will get sales from there, but eventually you will not scale your business. If you want to scale your business, paid traffic is something that you should be considering as a serious decision, my friend. All right. That's it for now. This is something I thought I should share with you. Let me know your thoughts on this. And this is a realistic example which I have shared with you. I don't know what is your current situation. Based on that, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.